Hi, my name is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts Facebook group, and of course the Sweet Pea Papers Ko-fi shop, where you can purchase the journals and folios and interactive books that I make in these videos. Now this journal is called Gothic Dragons. I made it for myself originally. It doesn't have any videos or anything. There's just this flip through. I've decided to put it up for sale, and I'm only listing it in some Facebook groups. I'm not listing it in my Ko-fi shop, so you can't get it there. I'm going to sell it for $45, and there's $7.50 in shipping. It's got a little bit of heft to it. So you've got the cover, and it's raised up a little bit with some chipboard, and it's a 2-signature journal held on by elastics. And then here's the back cover. I love these dragons, I really do. When you open it up, there's a large pocket with 2 large cards in the front. There's one in the back as well. There's a writing board so that you can put this in between or lay your writing cards on it, and it's made of chipboard, and I sprayed it with a clear triple thick glaze. It kind of soaked in because it's paper, but it does seal it. It also comes with this little matching pen that I made, and it has a charm on the end. I'm going to stick this on here. I may redo the Velcro dot because the dot keeps coming off. It might be because of the thing, so I may glue it. So anyway, I will take care of that. That's no big deal. So when you first open the pages, you'll notice this card here comes out. The images in this are really cool. And then on the back of this, I stenciled some scales to match the dragon scales here. Open it this way, and there's 3 cards, and some ephemera, and your dragon who's saying welcome to the journal. Over here you have a large card in this black envelope, and then you have your first page image. Okay, let me go on. I wonder if I need to take this out. And then the next page has these really awesome, really long tags in a pocket made out of stamps. Stamps have really cool images on them. This says Chronicle. It's a place for you to use your pen and chronicle your journey through the book or the journal, or just any kind of notes you have about Gothic dragons. This one here, the words are all raised up with chipboard. This opens up, let me see if I can do it, this way for this writing area. Then it opens this way, and you have an image and another writing area. Okay. On this side, you have writing space, plus you have a little envelope held on with the Velcro dots, 2 of them. You have a writing area here and an image here. This is the center of the first signature. On this page, you have a belly band with this writing card. I stenciled on the back. This looks like leather, but it's not. It's the same as paper that was used on the cover. Then you have this that opens up, held with a magnet. There's 2 cards here. Where's the 3? There's 3. Oh, this opens. I'm sorry. This opens, and then it's got this card in there. It's been a hot minute since I've been through here. I did look through real quick, but then on this side you have a large pocket that looks like a folder, and then you have the large writing card. On this side you have the 2 cards held in by the tuck. On this side you have your policy closure holding in a card, but you can actually just slide the card in and out without it. And you see these wonderful colored dragon scales behind, and I stenciled on the back of the card. You just slide it right back in there, but we've got the double policy closure. On this side is another envelope, velcroed on so that you have some writing space. I just love the images in here. Look at that one. Just very cool. I really kind of hate to part with this one. There's a belly band. This is actually a scrap, and I thought, wow, that looked like a good belly band. And you have the large writing card and the stenciling on the back. Then on this side is a diagonal pocket. It says once upon a time. A writing card. This one I didn't stencil on. Write on it. This one has 2 more of those long cards that are really cool looking, and they match on either side, and they frame this really cool dragon here at the bottom. And you do still have some writing space, even though the tags are there. You just take them out. Use it as a pencil. That's what they remind me of, are big pencils. On this side, there's a belly band, an acetate belly band, and all 3 of these little file folders are attached using little tiny decorative paper clips. On this side, oh, this is the center of the second signature. So there's this wonderful image here. And on this side, you just grab a hold of the bottom of this and you pull down and you get the full 11-inch image. And of course, if you lift it up, it's been stenciled underneath. And there's nothing holding that, no Velcro, no anything, it just stays. On this page, we have a flip up, and it flips up. This side over here, there's a pocket with a large writing card. And another pocket with another large writing card here. Then on this page, we have a little tuck. This card has been embossed. I know it goes in. There we go. There's the slot. I couldn't find the little opening. This opens, it's held by magnets. And you have your writing area here. You have your 2 little cards here, and you have your dragons, more dragons. Dragons everywhere. And this is the image page for this half. Love that. On this side, This flips up. And these are two pockets, two expandable pockets. I don't have anything in them right now, but you can put whatever you like in there. On this side is the inside of the back cover with two more of the large cards with dragons on them. And there's the back cover. Okay, so that's the flip through for this Gothic Dragons journal. I hope you like it. I really like it. I love the writing board that comes with it. And yeah, thanks for watching the flip through, and I'll see you in the next flip through of a journal that I've made off camera, or a tutorial series, or even a drawing or something. You never know with me. You never know. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.